have another unboxing for you. It's a 675 piece car fastener clip kit from Amazon. It's made in China. Paid $23 for it. And this is what it comes with. It comes with the little O-rings. It comes with the tools to do your door panels. Comes with the nice door panel tool, the one that is metal with the plastic handle. Then it comes with a case with a handle, and that's all the stuff that's in it. Then you get these, which are like the things that you put through the frame rails to hold wires and stuff. So it's not bad for what I paid for it. Hope you liked the video. Share and subscribe. Thank you.